In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove PayPal Express checkout in Shopify. To start, head over to Shopify admin page, click on Settings at the bottom left, then navigate to Payments. If PayPal Express is active, you'll see it here. Click on Deactivate and then Confirm. Once done, refresh your Shopify store to apply the changes. It may take a few tries, so keep reloading it until you see the updates. Alternatively, revisit your online store, access a product, and you'll notice the PayPal button replaced with a Buy It Now option, which means that you have removed your PayPal Express checkout in Shopify. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.